What's going on, guys? My name is Brennan Gabaldon. I'm a chef and an online personal trainer. Now, if you're on a strict budget, you are very short on time, or simply just don't know how to cook, but you want to get your protein in, I got a solution for you. Get yourself a rotisserie chicken. Rotisserie chickens are fairly cheap. It'll save you time, and if you don't know how to cook, it's gonna taste better anyways. Now, if you have no idea how to deconstruct a chicken, let me show you. Now, before we start doing that, I do make videos like this every single day, so if you like what I do, give me a like and subscribe. And if you learn something, share it with your friends. They might need to know this information as well. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. Now, I completely understand, this looks a little intimidating, but I promise you it's a lot simpler than it actually looks. Just gonna wanna get rid of the string real quick. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is go after the drumstick and the thigh first. Just make a little slit right here. That's it. Then pull it apart. Find that joint, which is right here, and then slice through it. Then you got a drumstick and a thigh. Same thing on this side. Get it open, find the joint, which is right there. Slice right through it. Drumsticks, thighs. Next are the wings. Fill where the joint is, which is right there, and then just cut through it. Same exact thing on this side. Fill where the joint is, right there, and cut right through it. Now with the drumsticks and the thighs, you can see where it separates right here, and literally just slice through it. Same thing on this side. You can see it separates right here, and just cut right through it. Now you got 2 thighs, 2 drumsticks, and 2 wings. Now it's time for the chicken breast. See this line right here? Get your knife, just start slicing through. When you get to this end piece right here where it hooks, point your knife down, hold it securely, and then just, now stay close to the carcass, and then just slice off that chicken breast. 1 chicken breast, do the same thing. Follow that line, get to the end right here, point your knife down, and then just stay close to the carcass, as close as you can anyways, and then just slice off that chicken breast. And that's it. You got 2 drumsticks, 2 thighs, 2 wings, and 2 chicken breast. So go ahead and make yourself some rice and get your protein in. Now there is still a little bit of chicken meat on here, but I can use a snack. And that's all there is to it. If you learned something today, give me a like. If you like my content, which I make daily, subscribe and share it with your friends. They might want to know this information as well. Now, with that being said, I appreciate you guys watching my content, and everybody, just remember, I am a nobody from nowhere, so really, what do I know? Peace.